Greetings. We have a question on our hands. This question has been taken from the New General Mathematics book 3, and it's under the topic of sets, which is chapter 15 in the book. Saka mfunzo wedu uri kuti, if the universal set is equal to all teachers, M represents mathematics teachers and W represents teachers who are women. Show on a Venn diagram the set of all mathematics teachers who are men. Saka we have to put a Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is going to look like this. We know that we have what? A universal set, and the universal set will represent all teachers. Teacher ese. We have the set of M, which is representing teacher mates just like me. We have a set of W, which is representing teachers who are women. Saka female teachers are represented muno. And then we have the question. Before we go on to the question, we have to have an understanding of what each region inside the Venn diagram represents. And for us to have that appreciation, chekutanga, we should understand kuti munomu kuri represent chi. What is M intersecting W? Taudzwa isusu kuti M iri kurepresenta teacher mates, W iri kurepresenta female teachers. Saka panosangana maticha mates female teachers, it means kuti W iri kurepresenta chi. Sorry, it means kuti the intersection here iri kurepresenta chi. Female mates teachers. I hope we are together here. I hope we are together. M iri kurepresenta mates teachers. W iri kurepresenta female teachers or teachers who are women. Samanyorwa zvakaitwa. Saka pakati panosangana teacher mates nevakadzi vanodzidzisa panenge paine chi. Intersection yacho ndeyekuti vakadzi vanodzidzisa mates. Kana zviri izvo kumunomu munenge maane chi. Do you want to take a guess, an intelligible guess here? Kuti mukati umu munenge muine chi. Mukati umu munenge muine female teachers. It's female teachers who do not teach maths. Kana maticha ese echikadzi anodzidzisa maths ari pakati panapa, zvinoreva kuti munomu mune maticha echikadzi asingadzidzise maths. Tikatora maticha echikadzi anodzidzisa maths plus maticha echikadzi asingadzidzise maths, tinowana vakadzi vese. So this is the understanding we have to have. I hope we are together. Let us look at komuno menge muine chi muno. Umu menge muine, since set ya M yese iri kurepresenta mateachers emaths. Munomu mukava nema-female teachers emaths. Zvoreva kuti munomu mufanirwa kuva nemachi? Male maths teachers. Beautiful one. Male maths teachers. Because munomu mune ma-female. In mathematics, we have two genders, two sexes, male or female. It is the official policy of the United States that we have two genders. If you know, you know. Saka we are looking at male and female. Napaona. Saka kana panapa set rese iri handiri set rese iri rema teachers emaths. Pakati panapa tatoudza kuti pane ma-female maths teachers. Zvoreva kuti masara mune machi ma-male maths teachers. Then kunze kunoku kunenge kuine chi? Male teachers who don't teach maths. This is the interpretation of the Venn diagram. So knowing this, let us answer our question. Kwesenedi rumboti kudini? Show on a Venn diagram a set of all maths teachers who are men. Saka chero tikada kudrowa rimwe, muine understanding yandakupai apo, it won't be difficult. So our answer inenge yakadai so. This is the Venn diagram. Maths teachers, women teachers, then patanzi tishede male maths teachers, saka rikushedha pai like this. Tisingapinde mukati tinenge tatopedza. Saka masets akakosha. Kune inonzi set theory inozoitwa at tertiary level in statistics. And it's very fortunate with almost every program inoitwa at university, somehow, somewhat, in a course in statistics. Statistics is a very important branch of mathematics. Saka, and set theory, it's actually part of statistics. So I think being able to visualize my questions and everything makes life easier for us. I hope we were together, and maybe my last thing to do will be to do this. Swededza mudhuze kuti munyatsokuona ese ma-Venn diagram aripo. Rimwe tanga tichidemonstrata kuti unzwisise kuti region yakati inei, region yakati inei, region yakati inei. Zvinongoda a little bit of brain power, a little bit of reasoning, and a lot of experience. That's why tiita ma-questions almost every single day in the math hub. Then, of course, that is going to be our answer. So if you have any questions, the comments section or directly to me. If you are in need of some extra lessons, you know where to get to me, but it's +263 710469150. And this number, it's only WhatsApp. Thank you and take care.